Well, hello there. Welcome back to another one of my videos. Oh, wait a second. There we go. That's much better. Got a new camera. Has 0.5% zoom. Excellent, excellent. Alright, today we're going to be gluing on the end caps for the Go Now padded spearheads and the padded greatswords. I would pull a greatsword into frame, but they are far too large even for this 0.5 zoom camera. Like I mentioned earlier, if you're going to be doing a lot of gluing in an enclosed space, you really should have some kind of chemical filtration mask. So I've got this here. Been using this for a variety of things. Woodworking, for example, it has some particle filters. Installed some acoustic insulation earlier today, overhead, and while doing that, I was having some rock wool fall on me, so I didn't want to breathe that stuff in, so I was using said particle filters. But today, right now, we're working with chemicals. So I'm going to slap this on, and I'm going to start gluing up these things. Just have to give me a moment to put this on my face. And you probably can't hear me nearly as well, but that's okay. Now you get to watch me do my gluing. I'm probably using more glue than most people would recommend, but again, I'm only applying it to one side of the glue piece, or the work piece, so I can be more liberal. Plus, I want it to still be liquidy instead of tacky when I apply it, so that it slides right on. Work that on nice and snug. There we go. These are a little snugger than the other ones, so that should do for contact. It'll adhere itself with tension now. Still gotta get that boom arm to this camera. I don't want to be knocking the camera stand every time I move something in and out of frame. Once again, we're going to be very liberal with the application of glue. Wow, this thing, you really can't smell any of the VOCs. I should have been doing this before. Really work that in there. Alright. Number 2, as you can see, it is a little bit damaged, so we're going to be preventing any further wear to the tip by applying this cap. Just get rid of that little undercup. Now I should probably be wearing gloves for this, but that's okay. Beautiful. Now this is one of the greatswords. I don't know if you can see the whole thing. It's pretty big, and it's very difficult to get the whole thing in frame, so I'm not going to bother. Just going to lean this up here like this. So this probably is not a recommended modification by the manufacturer, but that's a nice thing about having purchased things for yourself. Once you own them, you are free to modify them as you wish. Although it may void the warranty, but that is a risk that I'm willing to take. Because I feel like they're going to last much, much longer since I've made this modification. And, added benefit, I'll also be able to easily distinguish them from other people's, if not only for the cap, but also for the logo. Although if I end up making these for other people, I'll probably want to put my logo on it, you know, just for vanity. Put that off to the side. Grab another one. As you can see, this one, I actually had to glue it back together earlier. It got some significant wear, which is why I was inspired to make these caps to begin with. I'll just put this off to the side. Get my cap ready to glue up, glue in, glue out and about. Alrighty. Yeah, got some glue on the outside, but it'll just rub right off once it dries. Okay, add a little bit more. Good measure. It goes on nice and easy. Close that up. Don't want to be letting that dry out. This stuff is, I wouldn't say it's expensive, but it's definitely not cheap either. Alright, last one. This one's a little bit looser, so I'll really work it on there. Yeah, even though I got some glue on the outside, you can see this is an oil tan, so it just rubbed right off. Keep adding a little bit of compression along here. The job isn't quite done for these. I'm going to end up adding a stitch along the periphery, but the glue, once it sets up, should be more than sufficient for a temporary basis. And there you go. These are now usable for sparring without having to worry about them experiencing significant wear, because really the only part that gets dragged around is the tip. Alright, well, thanks for joining me, and have a great day. Goodbye.